how to fix PS5 stuck on blinking white light. So if you get this error, then what you need to do is to locate the power button here, and you just want to press and hold onto the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it completely turns off, the console I mean. Once the console has been turned off, then you will need to unplug it from the power. So here, as you can see, I have the power cables. So you want to unplug it from the cable itself and wait 2 minutes in order to clear the cache for the console. And if it still doesn't work, then the last thing that I suggest doing is gonna be checking your HDMI cables for any damage. So this is gonna be the cable that connects it to the monitor or TV, so make sure there isn't any damage on those cables, and if they're damaged, make sure you replace them, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I will see you next time.